It's like a reservoir basically.
Yeah.
And I was like, bro, let's just take the dog. And then we decided last minute, and here we are. So right now,
It's in Oldham.
we're currently in Failsworth, so we're still a bit of a drive. It's only a 30-minute drive, which is not too bad. Eddie's taking care of the dog at the back with Erin.
Move over.
Oh yeah, he likes that side. He likes that side.
Do you know who won the Grammys? Did you see it?
Bad Bunny in it.
Yeah.
He won 2, right?
Yeah. 3.
3?
Yeah.
What was it?
I don't know, but best album.
Really?
Yeah. And I don't know if you guys heard about this, but he was wearing a
Bulletproof vest,
vest.
yeah. Because why? Is it because of the ice thing?
I think so, probably, or like just people like, I don't know.
Eventually.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How do polar bears do this shit? Right, anyways, we made it to Dovestone, guys. They're probably thinking, these fucking idiots going in. You know, with my friend, we went up that hill. We went up that hill once. Anyways, look at the sea, guys. We should have bought gloves. God, it's cold. Andy was like, should I bring gloves? I was like, nah, we're not gonna be on like a bike ride. We won't need no gloves. Bro, my hands are defrosted. I mean, frost. Oh my God, I can't even. Right, we made it. We went past the whole thing. We still got a long way to go. Oh my God.
Guys, we decided to walk the other way, this way. It's so windy, so it's like better if it hits our back than if it hits our face. Oh, I feel I've fallen over like 5 times.
It was too much. We'll be here back in hopefully 3 months' time.
When it's a bit sunnier.
Yeah. Oh.
It's not even just raining and cold, it's extremely windy. The wind has gone down a little bit. I mean a little bit. It's still very windy. We're still gonna go to the car, but it was still a nice little walk. And we discovered something new. So this is your sign to go outside and discover something new. Regardless of what the weather conditions are like, go do it. Because I know this in the summer will be beautiful. Gustavo's over there. Made it to the car, guys. Yes, it's literally just over there around the corner. It's very windy though.
I know, and it's raining now.
I don't think, yeah. Yeah, I know he doesn't, but you guys will go flying.
Thank you.
That's alright.
You got the last part.
He said bye. Guido, did you like that walk? I know you don't want to go home, do you? Guido, inside!
I don't mind.
Oh my lord.
Wow! Thank
hell.
God we're here.
Yeah, that's really good. That was honestly
Wait.
an experience.
Fucking bottle.
I'll hold it.
Not gonna lie, the wind was probably doing like 160 miles per hour.
It was doing too much.
Yeah.
We got too far even, like.
I think we should stop at the beginning, to be honest.
Same.
Like, we couldn't even go up the hill, like, for real. We couldn't even enter the actual thing.
I don't think you can realise, but like our hands, or you guys know what it like when your hands are cold.
Yo, when
My
it's,
hands
there's
are
nothing
when
you can
can't
do.
feel them.
Because you got nothing in your
I'm
hand.
black,
Like,
my
it's on
hand
your
should not be
phone.
red.
We're gonna try to find like a pub.
Because we need something hot to drink. I put
Yeah.
that allows dogs as well, to be
Yeah.
honest. Oh my god! Memories! I used to listen to this song and play Fortnite in the background.
That's so real.
Let's see.
Come to a pub, and they're dog friendly, which is great.
Yeah.
Living his best life. And we're right next to a fireplace.
Yeah, I think
So it's so nice and
it's actually
homey.
really nice. And the whole menu. Oh, look. This
There
is
you
the
go.
Clarence, guys. This is basically the outside door we just walked through. So, starters and bar snacks, or choose any 3 for 20.
We'll probably end up getting that because we're probably gonna just have like some bites.
Do they? Yeah, I'm thinking of like a sandwich. Oh, 16, I don't know.
To be fair, I'm gonna need to
We'll
watch
see.
it.
We've just discovered, you know how we were saying like, oh, it's so expensive. We've just discovered that they've got a menu.
So we
A
got
cheap
the
menu.
lighter. This is lighter, but there's smaller portions as well.
Should I ask if they take
From
cash?
Monday to Friday, 12 to 4, you can get 3 courses for £16.
Or 1 course for 10.
Or 1 course for 10, but why would you get 1 course for 10 when you can get 3 courses for 16?
Yeah, true.
Do you know what I mean?
What if I'm just not really feeling too
like for my
peckish?
name.
Yeah, but then you might as well just get like
Yeah,
a...
you actually might as well. Take it home or something.
Yeah.
What, scampi? Scampi?
Scampi?
It's fish, isn't it?
So we got the hot chocolate, guys. Spilt some already. So we've got some marshmallows on the side.
I just brought me.
You can just drop it everything.
We got a hot drink because it
And we all ordered now.
basically got hypothermia.
Scratching sounds.
So excited, guys. We ordered
4 pastas.
4 pastas.
Chicken
Can I
pastas.
eat that cube?
Yeah. Guys, the food came.
Guys, spring roll. What's that? Is that the halloumi?
Halloumi, yeah.
The real the movie just looks good.
Yeah,
Yeah, get your hands off it, yeah.
And then you got, what's this, a soup?
I got soup, got some bread. There's some Game
Nice.
of Thrones out there.
Wait, try the soup. What flavour is the soup?
Wait, can we start?
Yeah.
This is way better than the ones we got from
Hot.
It's hot, that's what it is. It's nice though.
Is it? It looks like a pumpkinish.
Honestly, I'm not too sure what the thing is. It just needs salt though.
Your spring rolls.
Better than the last ones.
Really?
You can probably eat that, yeah.
I'm gonna try my.
Valid. I always do that shit. I always just go and bite the leaves, yeah. You know what? It slaps.
Nice, nice. Does anyone want
Your prawns.
shrimp and prawns and cucumber?
Hey, cucumber, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
You eating it?
What's this?
It's alright.
Nah. Too
It's
fishy.
good.
I don't know.
Taste the fish.
I do. No, I don't like
It
that.
just tastes like really like mayo.
It's good. It's just like, it's just what you get on your prawn and
To be honest,
cocktail
yours is quite
sandwich.
big.
sandwich.
Like that seems quite filling.
It's too strong, isn't it?
Oh, hot.
Oh, you was holding in it for so long. Oh, like spicy. Oh, oh. What's up, YouTube, tube.
The cheese in there.
We got the tube. So we got the food. Oh, it's here now. It's looking good. It's looking. You're like, you need it. Garlic bread as well.
Right, let's fucking dig into this.
Food's come.
This garlic bread.
Honestly, you guys can actually just sit there and watch, because
It's gonna be in my one.
sir.
Oh wait,
Oh yeah.
let's
Thank
go.
you so much. Can we get some ketchup this week? Thank you.
The garlic bread's really nice. It's good, isn't it?
I mean, not gonna lie. Portion wise,
Not gonna lie, it's pretty good. Portion size.
yeah, I think the portion size is fine.
More than enough.
We're gonna eat our food and then
Oh yeah, hold up.
probably get back to you guys when we get desserts.
We'll show you the desserts. Brownies and a cheesecake.
Yeah, you guys don't have much charge.
Probably go like this big.
Now we're driving home after a long day. Finished food. We're driving home after a long day. Had some food, and Keto's happy in the back. He's happy to go home as well. Can't
It
drop
was
these
a
guys.
successful. It started off as
You know what?
an unsuccess, but
It was
finished,
unplanned.
It was finished well.
But it was good.
Yeah. Really recommend the pub as well. Dog friendly.
Yeah, very dog
Also,
friendly to be honest.
But there was about 3 people there, so like.
Very quiet.
It was very
Yeah.
warm. It wasn't very warm, but it was nice and
Not gonna
cozy.
lie, they had to keep putting like logs in the fire, and I was thinking
Yeah.
that's long. Imagine working there, but anyway.
Yeah, true. Guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you guys follow my friends. By the way, this is Ali. I don't know if I introduced your friend. Introduced you
I think they
guys.
know us from the Madrid vlog.
I know, but either way, Ali, Erin, and Eddie. Thank you guys for.
Follow me. I don't usually look like this.
Follow me. I'm a catfish
Go
right now.
find the
Bye.
Instagram.
Don't
Go
worry
find the
about that.
Instagram.
I'll be like pointing it.
This is how I usually look.
All right, buddy. All right, buddy.
Okay, bye guys. Bye.
Bye.